Hi guys, today I will show you how you can create MD5 generation for your security from them. So this is encrypted from securities from used from the MySQL or most of them databases. So I will show you how you can create. You can write in blah 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 anything like this. This will be checked from the like a password style. So you can type it on yours. It's gonna be works. So it's give it you that hash will be great from the security things. So blah blah this which is give it you some, for example, text, by the way. So it's give it to you mi style. This one is 10 million to the cracking. This is a very hard job to do that. This is your mi type one. You can use that type of password. You can use an mi5 on MySQL or another database. So will be extra for security. Create your systems for it's more security from them. You can change it all times. Remember is keep it safe. Thank you. Bye bye.